Friends, today our topic is array slices. The slicing of array means the process of extracting a subset of element from an existing array and return the result as another array, possibly in a different dimension from the original. So slicing we have already learned in string, in list and dictionary also. In dictionary the slices was not the topic, and the slicing to extracting the subset of element from array. Suppose these are the subset, and if you want to extract some values from the existing array, so that is slicing. So 1D array slicing, 1D array slicing. This is the syntax: start, then colon, then stop, and then step. So we have already know how the slices works. So first you create a one dimension array and you can pass these statement, so extract the value from the one dimension array. So this array I am creating in Python. So first we have to import numpy as np, and then the numpy has been imported. Then you can create an one dimension array. Suppose array np dot arange. I am using arange function, and 2 comma, so I am creating the same array, so up to 16. So a range 17 I am creating, and 2. So the 2 to 16 it will create, and with step 2. So you can check. So this array has been created. It is the same array that is given in this example. And suppose if you want to extract, means you are passing this statement 3 colon 7, means up to from third index to last index minus 1. So extract 1D slice from n to m minus 1. N is the first argument and the m is the second argument. So when you are passing ar and 3 colon 7, so the third index is 0 1 2 3. So 3 3 2. So 0 1 2 3 3 2 n 3 4 5 6. So up to here. So 0 to n minus 1. So you can now you can press enter. So you get the same value: 10 8 12 and 14. So if we are taking some another example, suppose this example, it says that means the row index is not given. So 0 2, the last index is given 5. So 5 minus 1 means 4. So it goes from 0 to 4. So 0 to 4. So if I am using here, so 0 to 5 I am using. So 0 to 4, 0 is the first index, 2 1 0 1 2 3 and 4. So this subset will extract from the existing array. So if this is given, means the row is given, but when the second argument is missing, the first argument is given, so it will extract the value from fourth position to last the element of that array. So 4 to last element. So this is the 4 means it, look at here. So this is the 4. So it's a 0 1 2 3 4, and 4 to last, any 10 12 14 and 16. So this will return 10 12 14 and 16. Array minus 1. Okay, so up to -1. So up to -1. So if index is given, you can understand the index -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So this is the reverse indexing. So if the last index is -1, so here, and the first one is missing, so it will extract 2 to 14. 2 to 14, the last index -1, so before the last is meant up to 14 it will extract. -2, so it will goes up to here, -1, -2, so it will extract a value up to 12. So -3, so the same, the -3 means here -1, -2, -3, so 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 it will extract. 2, 7 colon 2, so 2, 7, 2 to 7 with alternate values. So 2 to 7, 0, 1, 2. 2 is at 6 position, 6 element at the 2 index number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. But it will extract alternate value, means the step value is given here too, so it will extract the alternate value. So it will extract 6, then 10, and then 14. Okay, so in this way you can extract the numpy average. Sometimes you need to extract the values from the or one dimension array, so we can use we can form the statement in this way, so we can extract the values from 1D array. The second topic is 2D array slices. So if the 2D array, if you want to extract the two-dimension array, so this is the syntax of two-dimension array. So look at here, the start, stop, and stop, because it is a two-dimension array. So the first is work on row and the second will work on column. So the row index, so this is the first dimension, means it will works on row index, and the second one will work on column index. So first you apply this slicing on row, and then you can apply the column, and then the intersect values will extracted from the two-dimension array. Extract the row as per the row slice specified. So this is the row slice, and on the extracted rows apply column slices to get the desired 2D array. Okay, so first you have to extract all the rows, and then you can apply the column slice to get the desired array slices. So look at here, I'm giving an example, so I'm just removing it. Okay, so I'm just going to create a two-dimension array of same the value given in this example, 2, 4, 2 to 40. So 2 to 40 means I'm generating with the a range function, and 2 comma 41 comma 2. Okay, so look at here, so it is generated in this way. So you can reshape it, ar equals to ar dot reshape, and then reshape. So there are total 4 into 5, so you can check. So this is the array that generated. So this is the two-dimension array. So this one is the row index and column index. So this is the column axis 1, and this is the column axis 0. So if I want to apply some slices, suppose this is the slice, I want to apply 1 colon 3 and 3 colon 5. So this result comes. So how this result comes, so I'll explain you. 1, 2, 3 and 3 to 5. So AR 1, 2, 3 comma 3 to 5. This expression is given. Okay, this is the expression. So first you extract. So first 1 2 1 2 this is the 0 index, so this is at 0 index, and 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 n, suppose this is the n and this is the m, so n to m minus 1, so it will select rows 1 and 2 3. So 2 will also selected and 3 will exempted, because 1 to n minus 1, so the last value will not select, so it will select the rows from 1 to 3 minus 1 means up to 2, and then these two row has been extracted, and then you can apply these values on extracted rows 3 to 5. So what are the column you have to select? 3. So index of this is 0 1 2 3 and 4. So 3 to 5 means 3 to 4, because the last index minus 1. So 3 to 4. So these will apply only on selected rows. So these two rows are selected. So 3 to 4 means these 3 to 4. So only on extracted rows these column will apply. So these 4 values, any 18 20 28 30 value will extracted. So look at here. So same example, in this example I am minimizing this and then I am pressing enter. So look at here, 18 20 28 and 30. So these values has been extracted. So this is the slicing. So this, if when you apply the slicing on 2-dimension array, so in this way you have to evaluate. First you have to extract all the rows from the first argument, and then you can apply the selection of column on the basis of second column index given in your slicing. Okay, so this array, this value will extracted from the 2-dimension array. Now you can take the next example. Suppose 1 2 3, the last is missing. So the last one is missing, it means if the last is missing, it means that no column, means all the column you have to select, because the no column is given. So in this case you have to select all the column. So look at here. So 1 2 3, so 1 and this one is the 2 3 and 4, so 0, so 2 2 4. So here 1 2 3 give you array 1 comma 3 only is given. So 1 comma 3 is given, so it will get these values, because this row and this row 1 2 3 will select, and there is no column specification is given in this, so all column you have to select. Then you move to the next one. So suppose this example is given. So this is the example that is given. That means you can, no row index is given here, so you have to select all the rows and then column. Okay, all the rows you have to select, and the what are the column you have to select from the all rows. So 3 to 5. So example is here AR, and there is all the rows you have to select, and 3 to 5. So here look at here. So all the rows means all the rows will select, and 3 to 4, yani 3 to, because 0 1 2 3 4. So all these sorry, this and this, so this will be selected. So it will selected all the rows and applies only the given column index. So this value will return. Next we move to the next line. So this is the example given 1 to 4 and 1 1:4 colon 2 and 1 colon 5 colon 3. So here 1 to 4 1 I explain you example array 1 colon 4 colon 2 and the second one is 1 5 3. So 1 5 and 3 is given. So one in this example I tell you, so what are the columns selected? So here 1 to 4, so 0, this one because it is at one position, 0 1 2 and 3. So 1 and 1 2 3, so 1 and then alternate values, so 1 and then this one, because the first row and then the step value is given. So the first row, then plus 2, the 1 plus 2 3, so the third one will selected, and the column 1 5 comma 3, so 1, so 0 1 2 3 and 4, so 1 2 4 with step value 3. So 1 means these two, this one and this one, and then 1 plus 3 4. So the fourth index you have to select this one and this one. So only these four, 14 20 34 and 40. So this value will print. Look at the result, the same value you are getting, 14 14, this 14 14, this 14 and 20 and 34 and 40. So these four value will select only when you are passing this kind of expression. Okay. Clear all and minimizing this, and then I'm moving to the next. So you can understand you can pass this value and you can get the result. Suppose the 2 2 minus 1 is given, so 2 2 minus 1